Want to use web login set up your Netgear router quickly? In this video, I'll show you how to log in and configure it easily. Step 1. Connect to your router. Power on your Netgear router and ensure it's connected to the internet. Use a Wi-Fi connection or connect your computer via an Ethernet cable to the router. Step 2. Open web browser. Open a web browser, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, type routerlogin.net and press Enter. Step 3. Log in to router interface. A Netgear login page will appear. Enter the default credentials. Username, admin. Password, default, unless changed. Click Login to access the settings. Step 4. Set up router settings. Navigate to Wireless Settings. Change the Wi-Fi network name, SSID. Set a Wi-Fi password, WPA2/WPA3 recommended. Go to Internet Settings and select Dynamic IP, DHCP, most common setting. Static IP, if your ISP provides a fixed IP. PPPoE, if your ISP requires a username and password. Click Apply to save changes. Step 5. Restart and reconnect. Reboot your router to apply new settings. Connect to the new Wi-Fi network using the updated credentials. Your Netgear router is now set up and secured. Need more help? Let me know.